I'm Dr. Chet Barton. I'm a specialist in otolaryngology head and neck surgery, otherwise known as ear, nose, and throat surgery, and I work here at Jamestown Regional Medical Center. We are specialists of the ear, nose, and throat, head and neck area. We work on ears, nose, sinuses, soft tissues of the neck, the throat and the voice box. We do both medical treatment and surgical treatment. The specialty includes the old and the young, men and women, and it also includes simple, regular type procedures to very serious life-threatening conditions like head and neck cancer. My wife and I were high school sweethearts. We have 4 children. We have 3 grandchildren currently. We're an Air Force family. I served 36 years in uniform, and we traveled the world and got to see lots of different places and meet lots of people. I was an Army brat, so my dad was a Huey pilot in Vietnam. Born in Fort Knox, Kentucky, moved around the South to various different Army posts, but I call Tuscaloosa, Alabama home. I went to the Air Force Academy right out of high school and originally had planned on flying jets. My fiance, who is now my wife, did not want me to be a pilot. And so I turned down my pilot training slot. I worked as an engineer for about 5 years and just did not enjoy it. And I remembered that my mom had always told me, you should be a doctor. I started to think about, well, maybe I should listen to mom. And I went and investigated medical school. And fortunately, was qualified to go. So it ended up kind of being a blessing in disguise that I took a few alternate paths that ultimately led me here. I think patients would choose JRMC for the same reason I did. It's got that nice, down-home, country town feeling that's very personable and very inviting, while at the same time being a legitimate medical center with state-of-the-art capabilities. It's unique. In all of my years of medicine and surgery, I've never found a place that strikes that balance quite like JRMC does.